Okay. So let's take a look at this one, okay? So today we're going to learn what is complementary, what is supplementary, and vertical angles. Okay, so starting with this one, we're going to just think about it, how to do the complementary angle. So when two angles, they plus together equals 90 degrees, and we call it complementary angle. So for instance, angle DBC is 37 degrees, and we know ABC is 90 degrees. So what is the degree of ABD? It's 90 degrees minus 37 degrees equals 53 degrees. Okay, angle HFG equals 90 minus 23 equals 66. Sorry, 67. So last but not the least is we know IJK is a 90 degrees and minus 80, 8 degrees. Get it, everybody? Okay, so let's just practice D, E, and F.好，3道题目做完了吗？应该很快啊。Tiffany, first question equals what?
First question equals to 44.
Very good. 44 degrees. Very good. Number E, Daniel.
Okay, I accidentally wrote the top instead of the bottom.
那你直接做一下。
30 degrees.
20 degrees, right? So
Oh, yeah.
90 minus 70 equals 20 degrees, okay? So Maris, what is UVX?
34.
Very good. 90 minus 56 equals 34 degrees. Good job. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. These 6 questions, okay? Everybody, you have 1 minute to finish all of them. I'm going to give you time up. Okay, so 1, 2, go. Okay, times is up, everybody. First one, Ethan.
72 degrees.
Very good. 72 degrees. Very good. Next one, Mike. Mike.
The next one is
equals what?
Is it the H or the I?
H.
Okay. 22.
Okay. Okay, so next one, I. Maris.
41.
Very good. Next one, J. Tiffany.
80.
Very good. Next one, K. Ethan, again, your turn.
59.
59, very good, 59 degrees. And last but not the least, I want to call Daniel.
35.
No, 35.
What?
Ah, Daniel, what is the last question's number?
25.
What?
25.
25 degrees. 哎呀，差一点点给我抓住了。Okay, so when two, okay, everybody, I want you to copy it down, okay? When two angles plus together equals 90 degrees, this is called complementary. Okay, when two angles is plus together equals, let me show you. When two angles is plus together equals 180 degrees, boys and girls, we call it supplementary angles. Okay, everybody? So
What was
let's
the other one called again? What was the other one called?
complementary. Okay, so this is supplementary. So I want to ask Maris. So we have ABD. So what is ABD? Because it's 180 minus
Minus 17.
So equals 163 degrees. So next one, 180 minus 106 equals 74 degrees. Okay, understand? So it's just 180 minus. So these two angles plus together equals 180. We call it supplementary angles. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 questions. And boys and girls, I'm going to give you 1 minute and 30 seconds. Okay, so 90 seconds to finish them all. 1, 2, go.
Can I go to the washroom?
Yeah, of course. Ten seconds left. Okay, everybody, so let's take a look at the first question. So Tiffany, can you tell me what is angle IJL?
Angle RJL equals to negative.
Negative. How you negative that?
Oh, wait.
So just 180. So this is 180, okay, Tiffany? So this
Oh.
is 121. So 180 minus 121 equals what? Equal 59 degree.
Oh, 8.
Okay, number D. Ethan.
86.
Very good. 86 degrees. Okay, next one. Number E, Maris is going to the washroom, and Daniel.
126.
Very good. And next one, Mike, number F.
Number F is 104.
104 degrees. Very good. Number G. Okay, Maris, are you back? Not yet. Okay, Tiffany, still yours.
Equals to 23.
Okay, very good. 23 degrees. Last one, number H. Daniel, you do it again.
What? H.
Oh, Daniel, what happened?
My brother and my mom are like fighting, so I gotta like split them up. Sorry.
Why they're fighting?
Like my brother's coming and just like giving me water, and my mom's like shouting at him for some reason.
Mm,
Wait. H. 135.
135. Very good. Good job. Okay, so everybody. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So angle DAB and EAC, they're what? They're vertical angles. Get it? These two angles are the same and they facing to each other and they're the same. So they are vertical angles. And DBA equals what? Sorry, DOB equals what? Because this one is 43. This one is also 43 degrees. Understand? So EAC and BAC. So EAC is here and BAC is here. So these two angles are what? Are supplementary or complementary?
Complementary.
It's supplementary. Okay, when two angles plus together equals 180, they are supplementary. And BAC measures what? 180 minus 43 equals 137 degrees. Get it?
Oh, nice.
Mhm.
Nice.
Okay, so BAC and DAE. BAC sorry. And the DAE are what angles? Are vertical, supplementary, or complementary? Nobody knows? So they are looking at each other. Vertical, very good. I heard somebody said, who said that? Maris?
Me.
谁说的？
Me.
哦，Daniel 说的很好。那 DAE 等于多少？因为 BAC 等于137，所以 DAE 也等于137。Understand? For any line when they are crossing to each other. So this angle and this angle is vertical. And this is also vertical to each other. Get it? Okay, so let's try to do the number one. Number two.
坐正了，不要扭着。
做好了吗？有小朋友做好了吗？ So who finished it or you need more time? I have received Ethan's.好了，小朋友们，那老师开始说了啊。我看到Daniel 也发给我了 ，Good job。哎，我告诉你们一件事情啊，我告诉你们一件事情 ，Can you believe that？我在家里面买了几根冰棍，然后鹏鹏的爸爸背着我都吃完了。
我哪里有都吃完？我就吃那几根儿。
你不要跟我说话，我不想跟你说话。
就吃了几根，你要吃吗？
你买了什么？
我买了红豆和那个的
为什么买红豆？
果
那红豆
梗
的不好吃吗？
和那个
红豆，红豆。
和那
那芋
个
头的好吃。
芋头和红豆。
反正我就是讨厌你偷吃我的东西。Okay, can you believe that? An adult is stealing my food. So let's take a look at this one. VZW is here, okay? And VZY. So where's VZY? So this one's VZW and VZY.
I can see everything.
Okay, so this one and this one are what angles? This one and this one plus together equals what?
Supplementary angles.
Very good, supplementary angles. And VZY equals what? 180.
160.
Very good, 160. Good job, Maris. So VZW and YZX. So this one, what are they? What is the angle? What is the name of it?
Vertical.
Very good, vertical angles. So that's why, because they're vertical, they equals together. So equals, sorry, the same.
Mm.
Okay, so let's take a look at the last one. Okay, so this one is VZW and, sorry, VZX. Oh, sorry, WZX, what I'm talking about. And YZX, okay.
Vertical.
No.
What?
WZX.
Oh.
WZX is this guy. And YZX is this guy. So they're what? This guy and this guy. Their plus together equals what?
Supplementary.
Very good. Supplementary. So WZH equals what? Because this is 20. So this one is 160 degrees. Get it?
Mhm.
Okay, let's try to do number 3, okay? 啊，有个小朋友跟我说 acute，我们今天说的是 acute 吗？我们今天说的是 complementary, supplementary, and vertical。Okay. Thank you, Daniel. Okay, so everybody, let's take a look at this one. So SQT and RQS are what angles? Because I have received Daniel's. Daniel, you get it right. Okay, and I have got Maris. You get it right as well. Okay. So they're what? They are complementary, boys and girls, because these two adds up equals 90 degrees. So it's complementary. Okay, so SQR equals 90 minus 30 equals 60 degrees. In RQT, it's a 90 degrees because they are right angle. Got it, everybody? Okay. So I guess you understood, everybody? So now, this question is very funny, okay? So we're going to ask one by one for each of you. You're going to tell me alpha, this one, like A angle is a complementary, supplementary, or vertical. Okay, Ethan, first one. Complementary, supplementary, or vertical?
Complementary.
Very good. Number two, Tiffany. Complementary, supplementary, or vertical?
Supplementary.
这个
Oh,
这
wait. Oh, complementary?
complement 你刚才说的是 complementary 还是 supplementary?
No, supplementary.
Yeah, supplementary. Okay, supplementary. Very good. Because these two adds up equals 180. Very good. So angle C, Maris. Maris?
Complementary.
Okay, complementary. Very good. Next one, number 4. Daniel.
Supplementary.
No, this one and this one, they are facing each other. What is that?
Vertical.
Vertical. Very good. Okay, number E, Mike. What is angle E?
Angle E. Supplementary. supplementary.
Supplementary.
Oh no, vertical,
You're
vertical,
facing
vertical, vertical.
vertical. Oh, yo.
Vertical.
Okay, now angle F, Daniel.
Supplementary.
Supplementary, very good. Number G, angle G. So Tiffany,
Supplementary.
supplement, 173 and G. So they're what?
Oh, vertical.
Vertical, very good. Okay, number H. Angle H and 28, Ethan.
Complementary.
Complementary, very good. Number I, angle I. Okay, angle I, Maris.
Supplementary.
Supplementary, very good. Angle J. Daniel. Daniel, angle J. Daniel, angle J.
I was going to say, sorry. Complementary.
Thank you. Okay, angle K. Ethan,
Vertical.
very good. Last but not least, angle L. Morris. Maris.
Supplementary.
Supplementary, very good. Okay, good job. Understood, everybody? So this is a part for today, okay? So we're learning the angles. It's just 3 different angles, okay? So we're going to, next week, we're going to learn something harder. So now let's move forward to the part which is equivalent to the understand the percentage. So we have learned this one long time ago, okay? So I want you to, everybody review this. So I still remember how we learned this one. The percentage, the decimal and fraction actually could be reversed to each other, correct? So when we convert percent to decimal, it's 0.19. You just move the decimal 1, 2. And a fraction is 19 over 100. Okay, 36% equals 0.36. And for this one, 36 over 100, but everybody, we can simplify it, is 9 over 25. Okay, 3, 4, 5. So boys and girls, your turn. So no. I'm going to do 5 questions, okay? How about like that? 3, 5, and 9, and 10. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 9, and let me see this one. So 3, 5, 6, 9, 10. So these 5 questions.
Yeah, I'm confused. Do you have to, Carrie?
Mhm.
I'm confused because do you have to do like, if it's 9, do you have to do this one also?
What that 9 已经不能再下去了，已经 simplify 了。
No, I mean if we're doing number 10, right? Do we
Yeah.
have to do this question and then this question?
No, just this question. 后面的不用。 好了吗，小朋友们 ？Okay, I have received 3 messages. Okay, so Ethan, good job. Mike, you just send me 1. Okay, yeah, I think you can do more. Okay. I have received Daniel's. Good job. But Daniel, there's a one thing called a simplify. Get it? So 36 over 100, that is the answer, but you need to simplify to the simplest form. Okay, so I'm going to do the first one. Okay, so first one, Daniel, you get it right, 0.55. But the next one, you did it wrong. It's part of the wrong, so it's 50. Yeah, thank you, you fixed it. Good job. But still not perfectly, not still there's something I need to, okay? So 55 over 100, but it's 11 over 20. Next one, 0.38. So 38 over 100, which is 19 over 50. Okay, so 0.86. So it's 86 over 100, boys and girls. So 43 over 50. Okay, but this one is a little bit tricky. So 2.3 and 230 over 100 equals 23 over 10. So this is an improper fraction. We need to change them to 2 and 3 over 10. Okay, so this one's 1.5 and 150 over 100 equals 15 over 10. This is the part that Daniel give it to me. Is it simplest form? No, 3 over 2. We can still make it simple. So 1.5. Get it? Get it, everybody? Okay, so Ethan get all of them right, okay? So now, this is just a part of the homework, so we just reverse back. So we're not doing this one anymore. Yeah, those ones are forward. So let's take a look at this part, okay? So this one we have practiced before is a number. What number is 20% of 15? So we need to do a number equals 20% times 15. So equals what? So 0.2 times 15. So equals 3. Okay, so what number is 17.5% of 80? So again, it is 17.5% times 80. So how do we do this? Okay, it's 0.175 times 80 equals 14. Okay, last one. What number is 125%? So everybody, when you see percent, it's times, okay? So 1.25 times 42, which is 52.5. Okay, understand? So now how about do 1, 3, 5, 7, and 8?
Carrie, I'm
Mhm.
pretty sure that Tiffany just left.
Oh yeah, it dropped. Mm. 做好了告诉老师啊。好，我看到 Daniel 做完了啊。Daniel，你看一下你的 decimal 的这个 dot 对不对？啊，
What did you say?
你注意一下你每一道题目的那个 decimal 对不对啊？应该都是对的。那老师说你做完以后不是还有时间吗？可以检查一下，有一些题目可能你的 decimal 错。 哎，你有没有找到自己做错的地方？
Carrie, for
嗯哼
some reason, my chat broke. I can't open it.
啊，有 what？
Yeah.
你什么东
When
西
when I open it, it's like a blank. It's all blank and I can't type.
A blank?
Yeah.
Okay. 那我再重新来一遍，这样能看到吗？
Wait, what are the questions again?
You 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, I think. Yes. Okay, so let's take a look at the first one. So Ethan, so it's 0.4 times 50, right? So 4 times 50 equals 200, but we take over 1 0. So the first question is 20. Number 3, 0.19 times 60 equals 0.1140, but we take over 2 decimals, so it's 11.4. Number 5, 0.06 times 105 equals 0.3630, but there's 2 decimals, so it's 6.3. So this one 0.04 times 200. So I can move this 2 and click this one. So 2 times 4 equals 8. Last but not least, 0.85 times 63. So 63 times 85. So 5 and 31 and 4 and 50. So 5355. So the answer is 53.55. Get it, everybody? Okay, so when you see off, that is definitely equals times and is equals equal. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So this part is a little bit hard, boys and girls. 12 equals what percent of 20? So everybody, I want you to start do with me, okay? Every single step, do step by step. So 12 equals X percent times 20. Okay, everybody, please write down this one first. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So this whole thing, we don't know what it is. So a number times 20 equals 12. So X percent equals what? Equals 12 divided by 20. Get it? Because it's times 20 equals 12. So 12 divided by 20 equals this one. So X percent equals what? This one we simplified, 6/10. We don't have to make them simplest because the purpose is making the bottom is 100. So it's 60/100. So X percent equals 60%. So X equals 60. Get it? We have to do this one by one. Okay, number 2. So who can give me the equation? I want to call Ethan. Can you give me the equation? $15.
It's 15%.
No, 15 equals, I know, but you need to give me the equation. 15 equals X percent times 100. But Ethan, you're right, because X percent equals X/100 times 100, so 15. So that's why X equals 15 still. But I want to see this one. Get it, Ethan? Okay, so this one will help you to do a lot of questions much easier. So number 3, Daniel, can you give me the equation?
0.9
Mhm.
equals X percent times 6.
Very good. So X percent equals what? equals 6 divided by 0.9 or 0.9 divided by 6?
6 divided by 0.9.
So that's why you don't understand, okay? So this is, so we move times 6 over there, get it? So when we have times 6, it's times 6 at one side, move the other side will be what? Divide.
divide.
So it's 0.9 divided by 6. Get it? So equals 0.3 divided by 2. I'm not going to make it anymore because you know what? I want to make the bottom into 100. So times 50 times 50. So it's 115. So X percent equals 15%. So X also equals 15. Get it? We have to go to one, okay? So 1.8. So Maris, this one's easy. So 1.8, can you give me the number 4? What is the equation?
1.8 equals X the percent times 18.
Okay, very good. So now X percent equals what?
Equals 1.8 divided by 18.
1.8 divided by 18. Very good, Maris. So this one equals what? 1.8 divided by 18 equals 0.1, right?
Uh-huh.
Equals 1 over 10, right?
Uh-huh.
10 over 100, right? So X percent equals 10%. So X equals what?
10%.
No, X equals 10.
No. Oh.
Yeah, very good, very good. Okay, good job, Maris. So let's take a look at number 5. Daniel, number 5, can you give me the equation?
48
Mhm.
48 equals X percent times 64.
So X percent equals what?
48 divided by 64.
48 divided by 64. Very good. So what is that? So we're equals what? This is 4, so it's 12, right? So
12 and then 16
yeah, so again,
and then
3 and 4.
yeah.
Yeah, so X equals what?
60 over 100.
Huh? 3 over 4 equals what? We want to make the bottom
5
100.
over 100.
Very good. 75 over 100. So X equals what? X
75.
percent equals 75%. So X equals 75. Okay, good job. Okay, Tiffany, number 6, give me the equation.
Number 6 is 19 equals to X percent times 95.
Okay. So X percent equals what?
Equals 95 divided by 19.
95. Okay, so Tiffany, take a look at this one. We have times 95 here. We want to leave X percent here. So 95, move it there. Before it's
Oh,
times 95.
19 divided by
95. Very good. So this one equals what?
equals to
Ah. So divided by 19, this one equals 1 over 5, okay? So equals 20 over 100. So X equals what? 20. Get it?
Yep.
Okay, so now Ethan, let's take a look at number 7. Can you give me the equation?
1.8 equals X percent times 6.
1.8 equals X percent times 6. Very good. So X percent equals what?加油. So equals X percent equals what? Equals 1.8 divided by 6 or 6 divided by 1.8?
1.8 divided by 6.
Very good. 1.8 divided by 6. So this one equals what? Okay, so this one equals what? This one divided by 6, so 0.3. So divided by 6 equals 1. So it's 0.3. So x equals what? 30. Get it? Ethan? Okay, so number 7, Mike. Mike, can you give me the equation?
Number 7.
Number 8,
Oh,
sorry.
yeah. 12 is
12.
32 over 12. 12 divided by 32.
Equals x percent
Times
times 32. Okay,
30
so x percent equals what?
equals 12. 32 over 12.
So 12 divided by 32 or 32 divided by 12?
12 divided by 32.
Okay, so 12 divided by 32 equals what?不会啦。
What's it?
Divided by 4, 3 over 8. 对不对？那是不是0.375啊？我们背过的。
0.35对
X equals what? 37.5.
0.375.
Understand, everybody? So when we do those questions, I want you to do one by one,
Yeah.
step by step, okay? So it has to be like that. Okay, so now let's take a look at this one. This time is another way around. 3.6 is 30% of X. So times a number. So X equals what? So this one times X equals 3.6. So this one equals 3.6 divided by 30%, which is 0.3, which equals 36 divided by 3, which is 12. Get it? Get it, everybody? Okay, next one. 12 equals 25% times a number. So X equals what? Equals 12 divided by 0.25. Or we can say 12 divided by 1 over 4 equals 12 times 4 over 1 equals 48. Get it? So number 4. I'm going to do it one more with you, okay? 16 equals 32% times X. So X equals what? 16 divided by 0.32 equals 316 divided by 32. So 1600 divided by 32 equals 50. So X equals 50. Get it? Okay, so now I want you to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 5 questions. 加油啊，小朋友们！老师把这里放在那边是方便你们，要是突然不会做了，还可以看老师的 demo，明白吗？等，做好了没有？做好了没有？你们为什么都不理我？我只好开始唱歌 bother 你们了。Hello 哈，还是没有人理我。
What does hello ha mean?
Hello ha is in when you're in going to Hawaii. They don't say hello, they say
Oh,
hello.
it's hello in
Aloha.
What? Actually?
Yeah.
No, I don't want to.
Uh,
做好了，告诉老师啊。咦，有人发给我了，好像。Mike，你是不是只给我一道题？好啦，好啦，好啦，好啦，有没有人做好啦？啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦，呜呜呜呜呜。Okay, so I'm going to start to do that, okay? So the first question, and I'm going to call Ethan. Ethan, are you ready for the first one? Can you give me the equation? Ethan, my dear Ethan.
9 equals 15% times x.
Very good. So x equals what?
X equals 9 divided by 0.15.
9 divided by 0.15. Very good. So equals what? So we move this to decimal and move to decimal as well. So it's 900 divided by 50 equals 60. Okay, everybody, you need to learn how to do the decimal division. So 60. So 150 equals 150% times what? X. Oh, sorry, 不是我做，下面一道题啊，我下面不给你们看啊，先做这题，过会儿再回来看。Maris, 21 is 14% of what?
I know where Marius got that picture.
Hmm?
He got that picture from a class.
Mhm.
I
Okay,
think.
so Maris, can you tell me? So can you give me the equation?
What?
Can you give me the equation for this one? 你们都在干什么呀？上课的时候。
I was in the washroom because my eyes was really itchy.
怎么这么巧呢？
No, because like somebody threw flowers in my eyes today.
OK，那你现在能不能做这道题啊
I'm not done yet though.
？OK, so Tiffany, can you give me the equation?
Equation is 21 equals to 14%
Times what?
times x.
Okay, so x equals what?
21 divided by 14.
21 divided by 14%. So equals what?
Equals to 21 divided by 0.14
So equals?
equals to uh
21,100 divided by 14. Get it? So 114, so 70, so 5, 70 and 0. So x equals 150. 我们这个班里的小朋友除法不会做的，小数点除法，我要哭了哟。小数点除法会不会做 Tiffany？
yeah.
那怎么刚才做不会做了 ？Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So, Daniel, so can you give me the equation for this one?
12 equals
Hmm?
12.5 times x.
Percent times x, right? So
Yeah.
x equals what?
X equals 12 divided by
12.5%.
12.5.
Okay, x equals what?
X equals 12 divided by 12.5.
0.125.
5.
So 0.125 could be, can we rewrite it as the fraction?
Yeah.
So
12
times
12 times 8.
1/8.
Wait,
Sorry,
8.
divided by 1/8, right? So it's 12 times
12 times 8, which is
equals-
96.
Very good. Get it, everybody? Okay, so let's take a look at the last one. 7 is 5% of what? Mike, do you have time to do that?
Yes. 7 is 5% of 0.05 times 7. 0.35. 0. It's 7 is 5%.
So 7 equals 5% of X.
35.
Mhm.
No. 350.
Okay, so 350. So this is your answer? No, X equals 7 divided by 5%. Okay, Mike, I know you're very smart. But the thing is,
7 divided by.
对啊，如果你上课的时候再不听的话，你到时候大家都会做的题，你都不会做了呀。
140.
140. Thank you. Okay, boys and girls, that's very good. Okay, so this part 我们一定要上课的时候一定要专心听讲啊，因为这个地方我跟你们说，你们觉得哎，现在好像我还能糊弄糊弄弄出来了。等到你这个部分是我们 algebra 的基础啊，非常非常重要。OK， 好 ，Let's take a look at the word problem. Okay, so the first question, Ethan, can you read the question for us?
The Jacksons' dinner cost $125. They left $21.25 for a tip. What percent did they tip?
好，大家一起来做一下。So what does it tip mean? So 就小费啊，我们去吃完饭都要给小费的。
Carrie,
嗯
you know, like this morning, my mom told me
哼，
that she was gonna buy this like a very fancy coffee from this coffee shop right beside my swimming class that I was about to take in this morning.
嗯哼，
And then when she went to the shop,
嗯哼，
she was like this. Her mom was like, she was shocked
嗯哼。
because the coffee shop only opens at 11 a.m. and we were there at 9 a.m.
So too early, right?
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
so she left.
Oh, okay. Okay, so we're going to do this. Okay, the Jackson's knitter cost 125 and they left 21.25 for tips. So what percentage is 21.25 divided by 125, correct? So how to do this one? So we move the decimal. So 2125 over 12500. So divided by 5, so 425. Divided by 5, so 2,500. Again, we can still divide by 5, 85 and 500. And divided by 5, 17 and 100. So 17% is the tip break. Get it, everybody? Ethan 做出来了吗？没有，现在懂了吗？现在懂了。Daniel 懂了吗？ Daniel? Okay.
I understand.
Okay, very good, Mike. Good job. A sweater was originally $55. It is now marked down for 75% of its original price. Okay, how much is the sweater right now? So mark down to 65%. Okay, so everybody think about it. OK， 第二道题有小朋友做好了吗？ So a sweater was originally $55 and marked down to 65%. So 55 times 65%. Correct? So 55 times 0.65. So we just do 55 times 65 equals 275 and 330. So 3575. So $35.75 is the dollar we're paying right now. Okay, number 3. Maris and Ethan, 加油啊.
So we're doing it.
Yeah, number 3.
Carrie, what does this question mean?
So Mrs. Martino's new house is cost $260,000. She paid $39,000 in down payment. So that means, you know, your houses and my houses, everybody's houses, they're not 100% belongs to us yet. So based on how much money we're paying for the down and the rest of them will be on the mortgage. So just to know what percentage of the home cost did she pay in the down payment. So 39,000 over 260,000. Get it? So 0, 0, 0 is gone. So 39 over 260 equals what? equals 13 over 200. No, 13, yeah, 13, oh, sorry. So it's 3 over 2. So 13 to 20, sorry. 3 over 20. Because they're both divided by 13. So equals 15%. Okay, number 4.有人做好的吗？第4题，还是有小朋友还是不懂？小朋友不懂，我可以再 explain。Okay, I have received some answers, so let's take a look at this one. So workers have painted 320 square feet of the office. They have completed 80% of their job. How many square feet do they need to paint in all? So 920 square feet equals what? 80% of the total, correct? So we just named the total square feet is X. So 80% will be 920. So can you tell me X equals what? 920 divided by 0.8. Okay, so 9200 divided by 8 equals 1812, 1840, 1150. Congratulations, Ethan. Good job. You get it right. Very good. Okay, so it's just a step by step. Okay, number 5. Okay, number 5. The Franklins are taking a cross-country trip. They will drive 3,150 miles in all. On the first day, they drove 567 miles. What percentage of their trip did they drive? So we can just say X percent. So X percent times the total, equals 567. So X percent equals what? What divided by what? $567 divided by 3150, right? Okay, so this one equals what, everybody? 5670. Sorry, 567 divided by 1350. So I add a 0 because it's not there yet. So 13150. So 2520. So what is the number I'm going to try? I'm going to try 8. 8 times 0 equals 0. 5 times 8 equals 0. So 4. Sorry, I make a mistake here. So 2. So 567 divided by 3150 equals 1520. So it's 18% of their trip. Understand, everybody? Okay, so basically we're going to, when I just realized when we're doing the calculation, so the basic calculation usually is very easy. Everybody can do that. But the thing is, when we talk about the calculation into the, putting the calculation in the word problem, everybody finds it's a little bit hard, okay? So the only thing to solve this problem is you just read the question again and think about it, what we need for those questions. Understand, everybody? Okay, so that's it for today's class, and we're gonna see each other next week. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.